Colorado health officials are currently investigating 3 cases of measles right now. 2 are students at Broomfield High School, and a third positive case flew in and out of DIA late last month.
The students were both unvaccinated, but the traveler was fully vaccinated against measles. Situation we're seeing more commonly as outbreaks pop up across the country. 9 News reporter Jennifer Meckles joins us to answer some questions about what this means.
Hi guys, yeah, we know vaccinations are never 100% guaranteed to block an infectious disease, but they do a pretty good job. And measles is a pretty serious deal. For a long time, herd immunity was high enough that public health officials considered this eliminated, and people walked around not really worrying about it. Now, even people who have had their shot are getting sick. The measles vaccine is 97% effective if you got 2 MMR shots. But remember that the measles vaccine has evolved over the years. Only since the late 80s, early 90s have people been getting 2 shots in the series. So not every vaccinated adult today has the same level of coverage. Still, doctors and public health officials say any protection is better than none and can actually lessen the symptoms and severity of a breakthrough measles infection. Vaccinated patients are also less likely to pass it along to someone else.
If your viral load is lower, then you're less likely to pass it on because you're just not producing as much virus. And so the virus is still trying to get a hold in your body instead of trying to propagate and move to others.
Dr. Ming Wu is a family medicine physician at Advent Health Littleton, and we asked him, what's up with more of these breakthrough cases? He said it's simply a numbers game. If 3 out of every vaccinated 100 adults still get measles, those breakthrough cases, the more you're going to see those breakthrough cases. By the way, Colorado last year had 36 measles cases, far more than we would see annually all the years before that, going back at least a decade, where we would see 1, 0, maybe 2 at most in a year. That's also against the backdrop, though, of a national outbreak that is still ongoing at this point. So if you are fully vaccinated as best you understand it, Dr. Wu says just be mindful of symptoms. There's a lot of gunk going around right now. It might be a little confusing. Again, even if you're vaccinated, they said measles might only feel like a cold, but there's that telltale rash and a fever, and you can always call your doctor, see if they want to test you. We also have listed some of the potential exposure sites on our website tied to these 3 active Colorado cases. So takeaway, guys, we're not panicking here, especially if someone in your family you are fully vaccinated, but just some good information to have about these breakthrough cases.
Yeah, definitely, because you hear someone who has been vaccinated contracted the measles. That's the scary part, when you feel like you are doing your part for herd immunity and you're doing what needs to be done.
Exactly.
Okay. All right.
Exactly.
Jenny, good info. Thanks.